Hi, guys. My name is Samantha and today in this video I'll tell you everything you need to know about Cortexi before you actually buy this product. I also have some really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you, okay? So the first thing is watch out with the website you're going to buy Cortexi from, because today this product is only sold on the official website, and to help you I left the link to the official Cortexi website down below. In the description of this video you can click there later and see a little bit more about this product. What is Cortexi? Cortexi is a hearing enhancement supplement that has been designed to treat tinnitus. This formula has been created keeping in mind modern-day factors that affect hearing in the first place. Tinnitus is a life-altering condition that is characterized by loud and persistent ringing in the ears and ticking, or buzzing sounds that never go away. This condition can become serious if not treated in time. The Cortexi formula helps to get rid of this condition by addressing factors like nerve damage due to inflammation, exposure to loud noises and toxins everywhere you go, and much more. Benefits and advantages. It helps to maintain the ear's natural defense system, that is, the cerumen. It heals damaged cells in the ears. It soothes the nervous system and maintains its functions. The anti-inflammatory ingredients start the healing process. More benefits in the official website. What is the best way to take Cortexi? Every bottle consists of 60 milliliters made with the finest quality ingredients, and according to the makers of this product, you can take 2 drops every day, and they also suggest taking the supplement consistently over a few weeks for maximum benefits. What are the side effects? This supplement has no side effects. It contains only natural ingredients, eliminating the risk of allergies, side effects, and any other negative consequences of using the capsules. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Cortexi, and you can have results as well. Cortexi is highly tested and manufactured in a GMP-certified laboratory, and each and every bottle comes with a 100% 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like it for any reason, if it doesn't work out for you, you can get your money back. Also make sure you buy it from the official website so that you don't have any problems with the product, okay? You need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. Its results largely depend on the individual characteristics of the body, okay? So guys, I really hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please let your comment down below. I'll be really glad to help.